Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Arthanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discussion topic for the explanatory factor analysis EFA in RStudio. The explanatory factor analysis EFA is a statistical technique used to uncover the underlying structure or latent variables in a set of observed variables. It is especially useful when you have a large number of variables and want to reduce them into fewer dimensions that still explain the patterns in the data. What is the explanatory factor analysis EFA purpose? To identify underlying the factor that explain the correlations among observed variables. Type: it is an explanatory method, meaning you don't have a predefined structure. You are letting the data tell you what factor exists. Output: for EFA, it reveals a similar number of latent factors that each group together variables with similar patterns. So open the RStudio software, analyzed for the explanatory factor analysis. The explanatory factor analysis in RStudio, two important packages for first of all installed in the RStudio. The first one for the psych packages and next one packages for the GPArotations. So the first package is for the psych installed in the RStudio. In console section, install the psych packages, and the next one packages for GPArotation. So install the packages, and two packages active for the RStudio. So enter the command for the library psych and the GPArotations. Click to the enter. So active packages. So next one for the imported the data for the RStudio. So this is for the data. The variables names for the systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure, the fasting blood glucose level in the glucose, and cholesterol for the total cholesterol level, the BMI for the body mass index. So the data imported to the RStudio software. So the select the data and paste to the RStudio software. So click to the enter. So the active the data. If you want this data, the data upload for the, our Blacker page, and the Blacker page link also mentioned to the this video description box, and full code also for the explanatory factor analysis I will upload for our Blacker page. So the next one for the descriptive statistics of the data. So enter the command summary. So this is for the descriptive statistics of the data. So next one for the assumption check for the Bartlett test of the Suitability. So enter the command assumption check. So this is for the chi-square test and the p-value and the degrees of freedom 45. So the chi-square value 545.3089 and the p-value 4.09. So the next one for the Geiser-Meyer-Wolken measure of the sampling accuracy test. So enter the command for the KMO in our data. Click to the enter. The Geiser-Meyer-Wolken factor accuracy, the call the KMO and overall the mass 0.89, and the mass for the each items the value present in the options. The cholesterol level 0.95 and glucose level 0.95, then cholesterol 0.87. and the next one for the scar plot to the determine of the factors in our explanatory factor analysis. So enter the command. So the next one for the parallel analysis scar plot, click to the zoom options. So this is for the parallel analysis scar plot in the explanatory factor. So the factor number 1 to 10 and the eigenvalues for the principal factors. So next one for the perform explanatory factor analysis exciting the 3 factor the Varimax rotations. So enter the command. Okay, the next one for the print and interpretation of the result for factor explanatory analysis. The result of the factor analysis using model. So the call the data, then systolic the blood pressures and the parallel analysis 1, 2, 3 and H2 and U2 the value presented in the RStudio. So the next one for the view loading only the optional enter the command, click, then the value for the parallel analysis value. So the next one for the visualizing the factor loading, it is optional. Click to the enter to the command. So this is for the factor analysis visualizing the factor loading. So this is for the optional, the PA factor analysis 3, factor analysis 2 and factor analysis PA1. So the triglyceride the value 0.7 and the LDL value 0.6 and the value present in the arrow center point. So this is for the optional, and parallel analysis screen plot also optional. So if you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you, and the full code I will upload to our Blacker page. That link mentioned to the this video description box, and interpretation also explained for the another one video. That video link also mentioned to the this video description box. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.